test out this Greenworks Robotic vacuum. They were nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. So let's unbox this, see what all is included, get it all set up, test her out. Looks like we have an instruction manual, a quick start guide. They do have a smart app, a Greenworks app you can download to control the vacuum. Get the charger power supply, the docking station for that power supply. We have the robot vacuum itself and a couple of extra pieces. We have some replacement brushes in here, a little cleaning brush, looks like a replacement filter, screwdriver. Got everything out of the packaging. Looking at the dock station here, you can see the contacts where the vacuum just comes right up it. Underneath we have this little door that you open. The power supply is going to plug into that barrel port there. You can run the cord out the side either way. Now taking a look at the vacuum itself, it has kind of a matte finish on top there. We have a single button that says power and a little home icon. We have the roller brush here. We have our little sweepers on the side. You can see the contacts where it goes to the docking station. Now the lid on the top pops up. Just lift it up like so. You can see there's a Wi-Fi light, there's a reset button, and then here looks like our canister for dumping. There's a little button here. This swings open. And then your filter that we had the replacement one of in the package. Alright, we got a basic understanding here. Let's get it all set up. Our little quick start guide. First thing we're going to do is download the app, which is the Smart G Home app. Alright, let's see what on does. That seems like a good button to start with. It's on smart mode. It's a quick little guy. Try and get a decibel reading for this guy. Get it up close and then maybe from across the room. So we're in the mid 70s. We're right up next to it. From the other side of the room, we're close to about 50 when I'm not talking. To give you some comparison, this is how loud a traditional upright vacuum is. Temporary setup for the dock station. You see the white light comes on at the top when it's plugged in. Let's try wall follow mode, see what that does. See what happens if we tell it to charge. We can also do a schedule. We can add a timer, have it come on at a certain time, every day or on certain days. Get a notification. Let's see what we got. Look at all that. Just a few minutes. You almost got enough there for a third dog. There it is, guys. The robotic vacuum from Greenworks. Thanks for watching.